Welcome. Desert Disc Planning here. I am setting up my planner and I am glad you were here. If you've never been here before, I'm glad you found me and I found you. So, if you have been here before, I'm glad you're back as well. What I have in store for us is setting up the second week in my home section, utilizing, hopefully, the mini petite seasonal chickaroos with the memory keeping dates and holidays. So this is the Colorful Leopard 2022 lined planner, and I am using my stash. So I am participating in the HP Stash Challenge that is over on Instagram, created by Creatively Lisa Marie. So I am pulling everything from my stash and trying real hard not to purchase, but pulling everything from my stash and trying to utilize it, moving forward as much as possible. So I have no whiteout, so I'm using these stars to cover up my dates. That's what I'm doing. So I went ahead and I pulled out July to make sure that it still said July over here in the corner. I have all these planners that I got back during the COVID era of the world. And, oh wow, now these 2 days match. And I used them, but then I stopped using them. Actually, we all kind of got the little COVID, and I stopped. And then when I retouched everything, I touched it with a different angle. And that is my other channel, Angelique Plans. So, let's set this bad boy up. This is the home section, all about the house, all about the dogs, the fur babies, and this is seasonal. So I was looking to see if they had a back to school section. I think that would have been great, but I might have already used it. So we got Christmas. Can you believe that's just right around the corner? And then we have autumn. That's closer around the corner. Spring is over. We got summer. Maybe. We might do some summer. I don't know. They may not. They don't have school. They don't have school. That's fine. Alright, so we're going to do summer. I'm going to pull them out. Because, I'm not saying I'm using all that. I'm just telling you that right now. Alright, this is red, white, and blue. I don't know how this is going to match. Look, we got a fireworks watch party. See, school is going on. Alright, so let's just put the chicas down here at the bottom. Let's just do that. These over here acting like it's the weekend. Oh, my bad, it is the weekend. So they doing all the thing. We got this one. She ain't hanging out with them. Cocktails and sunshine. Let's just put her up here. Sunshine don't mind. So the stars are not going to go with this at all. But I've committed myself to the stars. And I'm just going to put these hearts kind of sporadic. I'm going to take the Welcome Summer. I'm going to throw it down here at the bottom. Again, this is kind of like just an ongoing to-do list, like a checklist. So it's about no more than maybe like 10 items that go on each day. Just throwing that out there. Let's see. There was some more glitter. Speckledness. Okay, that sheet's gone. All right. It's kind of crazy because this is literally eat, drink, and just relax. Every summer has a story. It'd be funny, or kind of funny, if I had a daughter named Summer and the other one named Autumn. Because it's like one kid has a story and the other one doesn't. Autumn has a story. Summer has a story. I feel like I have an autumn and a summer anyways. Whoa, we can't be doing all that. Alright, I don't know nothing about no pool party, but it's about setting up the planner. Do y'all set up your planner based off of what's gonna happen? Or do you set up your planner based off of like, I want to have like a really, really cool spread versus like anything else? Does that make sense? Like, I want to have a cool spread. Done. This is not what's going to happen during my week, but I want this all themed out. Kind of like that. Does that make sense? All right, I will not be using these. I mean, we're not going to go to a concert. I would love to put that for a concert. So let's say we're still going to use this for something else. And let's pull some of these leaves up here. Because these leaves are down here. Okay. And then for the home, we only have 4 boxes. So let's just yeah. And then we're going to do today. 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 And that's it. So these we did not use. We're going to put them back. So abused, but and what I should have done is I still should have used these. And to be honest, that still might be an option, because if when I get the white out, I might change the stars. I just don't like having it all patchy, being different. I kind of like it to be, but at the same time, these would match so much better than that. So if I could, let's see, is there something that I could possibly use? That would cover that. Would have been like some hearts, something. It might just end up being whiteout. That might just be what it has to be, is whiteout. So when I get the whiteout, that might be something that I just go over with, and then I pull 8 through 14 and put it on there. So that might still happen. Just so you guys know, that is a possibility. Okay. So, mini petite, seasonal, RongRong, and dates and holidays, happy memory keeping. I managed to keep this in the planner. That's kind of cool. I usually take it out. All right, so here it is. This is the second week in my home section. And again, I will just put like the chores that I'm going to clean in the house, the maintenance, the dog cleaning, that kind of thing. And it will be done in probably my flare pens, my mild liners. It could be anything. It's probably going to be colorful. That's usually how I like to do it. And I'll probably keep this in a red, white, and blue, black kind of situation. But Anyways, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, I really hope you come back to see how I set up my week number 3, and I will see you guys later.